Welcome to a live video for 2019. Live video is hot right now because the algorithms are pushing them up for free organic reach. There are a lot of different social media platforms that are offering live video now for free, and that includes Facebook with Facebook Live. Twitter has a live platform. YouTube can go live, and Instagram as well. Some of the cameras you can use include your smartphone, a webcam, digital SLR. Nevo makes live cameras, and GoPro is also compatible with social media live video. The more professional you can be, the better it could be for your brand if it fits that. There are other types of live videos as well called live streams where it's more personal, where people are just streaming from their phone to give a more personal view of what they're doing. But if you want to increase your production value, then you can use things like a backdrop, a green screen for chroma key, get lighting like LED lighting, constant lights, soft boxes, diffusers, use professional microphones. We use Apogee for that with a microphone boom stand. You can install mixers to incorporate several different microphones, sound effects. It's good to use a tripod. You can use a teleprompter, so there's different devices for that. Sometimes people use their iPad or an extra laptop. It's better to use bullets rather than actual writing out what you're going to say, only so it doesn't look like it's scripted, and it'll come off more natural. There's different streaming softwares out there that can make your stream look more professional as well, like having subtitles and title bars, logos, picture-in-picture. Wirecast is really popular. BeLive. Lightstream is good for gaming. Zoom is a webcasting software, webinar software that can be incorporated with live video as well. Ecamm, vMix, XSplit. The one I use is OBS. It's free and it's pretty comprehensive. So during your live video, you want to notify people beforehand that you're going to be doing it so people can come and watch you. So you can send out an email, newsletter blast, send a messenger blast to all your messenger subscribers, post it in your Facebook groups, text messages if they opted in for that. Introduce yourself, what you're going to talk about, go through your content. So the content's similar to any other social media platform, like educational. Do a how-to video, talk about news, things that are trending, events, behind the scenes, interview someone, talk about your life, do an infomercial or product launch. And at the end of the video, have a call to action, like be sure to share, follow, subscribe, like, buy this, have a free offer that leads to an opt-in at a sales page, give a sense of urgency with a limited time bonus. It's scary to do live videos, so there's something called a live video 30-day challenge where you do a live video every day for 30 days. You can transcribe your live video through websites like rev.com, and that will transcribe your live video transcript into Word so you can turn it into a blog post, or you can upload it to YouTube and they'll transcribe it, or you can go to fiverr.com and they have transcribers as well. Final Cut Pro is what I use to edit. Some people use Adobe Premiere. Then you can blog, tweet out, screen capture, and upload it to Instagram, re-upload it to YouTube and other video platforms. You can syndicate using different programs like Repurpose, Joycaster, Restream, LiveLeap. Hootsuite is what we use to syndicate to a bunch of different social media platforms. You can get a free trial for that at orly.com/resources. And then you can run pay-per-click ads through like audience-targeted ads. Gaming is big right now, so you can game and stream that live on Twitch, Mixer is the one owned by Microsoft. Facebook has gaming now as well, and YouTube has a gaming platform too. So on Facebook Live, you can stream your games by creating a post on your Facebook gaming page for a page that's categorized as gaming video creators. Open up your OBS software. You can either go to a setup that has a camera on you or no camera on you. You can see my settings for desktop audio versus mic audio. So I've set desktop audio a little bit lower. And go ahead and hit settings on the right. Enter your stream key and hit start streaming. So when you go to Facebook Live, go to the post, and on the top it'll say camera versus connect. So if you're using OBS, then you hit connect, copy your stream key and paste it into OBS, and fill out everything on the right as well. The title, the video game that you're playing, if it's available in that list. Go to stream under OBS, under stream key, go ahead and paste that in and hit OK. If you're using a camera, then you want to go to sources and hit the plus sign under that, and then pick your camera, and it'll take you to here. And these are my settings for my camera on my gaming laptop, and hit OK. Then you can have your video capture device with your game capture one over the other. So it's layer and layer, picture in picture. And you can hit start streaming once you enter your stream key within the settings. Chroma key means you have a green screen in the background, and that way it'll show the game in progress in the background of your stream. What you do is you right click on the camera device in OBS and select filters, and hit the plus sign under effect filters and select chroma key. And those are my settings for chroma key, and hit close. Now you can go live once it looks like the way you want it to look like. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share and like and follow. Thank you.